Hello students, good morning to all. Today I am going to take a lecture of 9th class, chapter motion and topic physics. As you know, in previous classes, in previous video, I have discussed about the average speed, the first case of average speed. When the total distance of a trip covered into two equal parts but with different speed. In this case, we have to discuss that this is the journey. This is journey from Gorakhpur to Delhi. A train covered this journey, total journey, with velocity v1 and come from Delhi to Gorakhpur along same path but different speed. It means v2. This is speed during going Gorakhpur to Delhi, and this is coming back from Delhi to Gorakhpur. This is from Gorakhpur to Delhi, and this is from Delhi to Gorakhpur. So what is the average speed during total trip? Average speed along trip or journey. Okay, so as you know, the average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. Let this train take T1 time to reach from Gorakhpur to Delhi and T2 time from Delhi to Gorakhpur. It means total distance is S plus S. It means this is 2S. In total distance, you can assume this is S. So S from Delhi to Gorakhpur, Gorakhpur to Delhi, and from S, Delhi to Gorakhpur. S plus S, this is 2S. Now the total time T is equal to T1 plus T2. And you can find the value of T1 by using formula speed equal to distance upon time. So time equal to distance upon speed. So T1 equal to distance, time taken from Gorakhpur to Delhi, distance S and speed v1, and T2 from Delhi to Gorakhpur, distance S and velocity v. So T equal to T1 plus T2. It means S upon v1 plus S upon v2. So T equal to S common 1 upon V1 plus 1 upon V2. This is total time. So by putting the value of total distance and total time in this formula, so this is, let V average, the symbol of average speed, total distance 2s, and total time s, 1 upon V1 plus 1 upon V2. So s cancelled by this, so 2 upon, so you have to solve this, V2 plus V1 upon V1 V2. So it means V average equal to 2V1 V2 upon V1 plus V2. This is the formula for average velocity. Clear? So you can solve your numerical for average speed when you have to go a distance with speed V1 and coming back with speed V2. So you can solve this type of question by using this formula. So one numerical is given. So try to solve this numerical. Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, there is less traffic and the speed is 40 km per hour. What is the average speed for Abdul trip? During going from home to school. So let's try solve this question. This is Abdul's home and this is his school. So during going home to school, the speed is 20 km per hour. But when he comes back from school to home, there is less traffic. It means speed is 40 km per hour. So you have to find what is the average speed of Abdul. What is the average speed of Abdul during this trip? Going home to school and coming back school to home. So as you know, you can use the formula V average equal to 2V1 V2 upon V1 plus V2. Clear? So you have to put the value and you can find your answer. So as you know, V1, what is the value of V1? 20 km per hour and V2 40 km per hour. Both quantity are in kilometer per hour. So no need to convert in MK system. You can find your answer in kilometer per hour. So no need to convert. So by putting the value V1 20, V2 40 and V1 20 plus 40. So this is 2 into 20 into 40 upon 60. So when you solve it, this 0 cancelled by 0 is 3. So it means V average equal to 80 upon 3. So when you divide 80 by 3, so your answer 26.67. When you divide 80 by 3, your answer is 26.67 kilometer per hour. So this is your, this is Abdul's average speed for his total trip. For his total trip. Because as you know, while going the speed is 20 and coming back the speed is 40. So the average speed you can find by using this formula, and for Abdul this average speed is 26.67 km per hour. So you have to use this formula to solve your numerical. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.